Mike Lee joins us this morning. Mike, great to see you. The Dow closing in on 40,000. S&P and NASDAQ seem to hit new highs every week, if not every day. I mean, does this rally have legs? What would stop it?
Yes, so, you would need some sort of exogenous event at this point, meaning something unforeseen, some data point that's way out of consensus that says inflation all of a sudden goes from a little over 3% to 5% in a jump, or something really bad would have to happen, some sort of massive accounting fraud. So I don't see that happening anytime soon. And typically when you see this amount of strength, so we're up almost 28% from the October lows, 21, one of the best 21-week rallies we've ever seen in the market. And from there, strength almost always begets more strength. And what is the most remarkable thing about this market rally is expectations for Fed rate cuts have gone from 6 to 3, and that 3 is a shaky 3 at best. And we've still continued to have this strength, so I don't see this stopping anytime soon.
Yeah, those expectations coming down certainly hasn't taken the wind out of the rally. I wanted quickly to mention Bitcoin to you, Mike, because in your notes, the number that stuck out to me, you say, it could go 200,000. When do you think that could happen?
Yeah, so I think somewhere between 12 and 24 months from now. And that is the history of the cycle, is that you triple the previous cycle high. I think the weakness we've seen is there's a lot of liquidations going on in the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, because that's where a ton of the assets, where FTX, the defunct currency exchange, where Sam Bankman-Fried is going to jail for a long time, that currency exchange, the recovered funds, was parked in that ETF, that fund. And as that fund is being liquidated to pay out the victims, it's putting a lot of pressure on Bitcoin. But the flows on a daily basis into the new ETFs are outstripping new supply. That's going to continue. We have the halving event, which is going to cut the new supply dramatically, coming up in late April. So look, I'm very bullish on this. We have $2 trillion deficits as far as the eye can see. You have the government trying to seize assets from a former president. I mean, what else do you want from it?
Exactly. 200,000. Mike Lee, terrific stuff, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.